Hi, welcome to Seshu Solutions. This is Anusha. Today I'm going to teach you about multiplying polynomials. Okay? Multiplying polynomials. First example, 2a plus 4 minus 3a square plus a minus 1. We are doing the box multiplication. Okay? 2a plus 4. We have two terms. So you're writing 2a and 4. Now we have three terms, minus 3 square, positive a and minus 1. Okay. Now we will multiply the boxes. 2a times minus 3a square. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. A times a square is a to the power of 3. A times a square, right? A times a times a. We have 3a, so it is a to the power of 3. Or we can simply add the exponents in multiplication. 1 plus 2 is 3. 2a times a is 2a square. 2a times negative 1 is minus 2a. 4 times negative 3a square. 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. And then we have an a square. 4 times a is 4a. We have minus 4 because 4 times negative 1 is minus 4. Now we will combine the like terms. Minus 6a cube, 2a square, minus 12a square, positive 4a, minus 2a, minus 4. When you combine the like terms, 2a square minus 12a square is minus 10a square and 4a minus 2a is plus 2a and minus 4. Okay. Coming to the second example, it is 2x square minus 3x minus 4 and 3x minus 4. 2x square minus 3x and minus 4. We are multiplying with 3x minus 4. 2x square times 3x. 2 times 3 is 6. X square times x, we have 3 x's, so x to the power of 3. 3x times negative 3x. 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. X times x is x square. 3x times negative 4. Negative 12x. Negative 4 times 3 is negative 12x. Minus 4 times 2x square. Negative 4 times 2 is negative 8x square. Negative 4 times negative 3x. Negative 4 times negative 3 is positive 12x. Negative 4 times negative 4 is plus 16. Now we have to add all the boxes, but whatever the like terms we will add. Okay. So 6x cube minus 9x square minus 12x minus 8x square plus 12x plus 16. Right. Now combine the like terms. Like terms means if we have the same degree, we will write one side and we will add them. Okay. Minus 12x. Here we have minus 12x and plus 12x and plus 16. Okay. So 6x cube minus 9 minus 8 is minus 17x square. Positive 12x and minus 12x will get cancelled plus 16. Okay. Now coming to the third example, p plus 5 into minus 2p square minus 7p plus 8. What you will do, we will multiply because we have two terms on the first, we will write it as p plus 5 and minus 2p square minus 7p and 8. Now p times minus 2p square, right? Which is negative 2. P times p square is p to the power of 3 because we have 3 p's over there. Okay. P times minus 7p, negative 7. P times p is p to the power of 2. p times 8 is 8p. 5 times negative 2p square. 5 times negative 2 is negative 10p square. 5 times minus 7p. 5 times negative 7 is negative 35p. And 5 times 8 is 40. What you will do? Minus 2p cube minus 7p square, 8p minus 10p square minus 35p plus 40. Okay. Now again we will add the like terms. Minus 7p square minus 10p square is minus 17p square. Like terms means the degree, which if we have the same degree. And positive 8p and minus 35p, right? We'll write it here and then we will subtract. Plus 40, okay? Minus 2p cube minus 17p square. 35 minus 8 is 15 minus 8 is 27. Okay, plus 40. Is it clear? Because positive 8p minus 35p is minus 27p. Okay. Now coming to the last example, x plus 4 into x cube minus 3x square plus 9. What we will do? X plus 4, x cube minus 3x square and then 9. X times x cube. We have 4x's, which is x to the power of 4. X times negative 3x square, which is negative 3. X times x square is x to the power of 3. X times 9 is 9x. 4 times x cube, which is 4x cube. 4 times negative 3x square, which is negative 12x square. And 4 times 9 is 36. So x to the power of 4 minus 3x cube plus 9x. Now we have to add all the boxes. Now we have to combine the like terms. Like terms are with the same degree. So 3x cube and 4x cube has the same degree. And minus 12x square and 9x and 36, right? Okay, so x to the power of 4, 4x cube minus 3x cube is plus x cube, minus 12 plus 9 is negative 3x square plus 36. Okay, we combine the like terms, okay? I hope I gave you a clear idea about multiplying polynomials. Thank you so much for watching.